Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about why did I get into cryptos, like why I'm talking even about cryptos, so the investment part. So I got into cryptos because I felt like now cryptos are not going to be any imaginary stuff. They are going to be on the real stuff. So many things are going to happen with cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrencies has got huge value. It's already proven. So if at this point of time, if you don't start understanding cryptos, then you're losing a lot. So that's the reason I started getting into cryptos. Way back in 2011, I got to know about Bitcoin, but I could not get into it because at the time it was very much unknown territory. But right now, I think with things getting matured with the crypto and the Web3 world, it is very, very important now we understand cryptos and actually know how to take a pie of it, out of this technology totally. So let us see everything about crypto. So Web3 is not a bubble. Web3 is going to stay. So Web3 means what? It's like um, Web3 world, privacy is more important, and the control will be with the users. So there will be browsers which will not track your browsing habits, etc. Let us say the Brave browser is a alternative to Chrome, where it doesn't track your browsing habits, and at the same time, it will not show you any ads. If at all, it wants to show ads, and if any user is ready to actually is interested in seeing ads, he can accept that, and he also gets paid for it. So in Web3, the control is with the user, and it is decentralized, not like Facebook. Any one company cannot actually rule it. It's totally the user and the creator economy is the Web3 thing. So cryptocurrencies will be used in Web3 world. They're already being used in gaming platforms and other stuff. Even in the decentralized finance applications, like banking sector also is adapting to it. So Web3 is not a bubble; it is going to stay. So cryptocurrencies are not a bubble; they are also going to stay. So we need to understand this, and we need to think of this thing. Then how can we judge if a cryptocurrency is the right or not? What kind of cryptocurrency should we invest in? So application of the company behind the cryptocurrency, like whenever you see a coin, so you need to understand what does this coin actually do, what does this company actually do, what are they into, or are this company or are these founders also have some other businesses, are they credible guys? You can look into it. Then you see futuristic use of the application. What is the futuristic use of this specific application or software they're developing, and the people behind the company? So these things, if you're able to see these things, you'll understand. Like already, Bitcoin and Ethereum are already popular, and why this Bitcoin and Ethereum are popular is Bitcoin has already got its usage and all it's proven, and Bitcoin is going to be is the deciding thing for the total crypto world, and Ethereum is a blockchain where a lot of things are happening on Ethereum. So so now when I'm talking, it's about futuristic and all. So what about the risk? Definitely it's risky because it's unregulated. You never know, it's not a legal tender, so you never know what will happen. But risk takers can make more or lose more. So let us say, like I told you, in 2011 I came across Bitcoin, and at that point of time the Bitcoin's cost is only $1 per coin. And if I would have invested at least 5,000 in rupees on the time and just leave it till 2020, I would have become a millionaire. I was in a position to risk my 5,000 in rupees, but I was not at all sure ki what is this, and I did not do anything. So the same way, I also believe today, as of now, uh, investing in cryptos is not very risky. It is reasonable, but again, I am right now just to start with, or like in share market also, I generally don't want to go beyond 10% of my investments, because that's the money I can afford to keep it aside or even lose. Because if you invest any money which you need, which is needed for you, you will be at trouble. So never ever invest any money which is needed, which is urgent, or which you'll need it in the coming 20-30 days, or maybe in the 60 days. Because you never know, once you invest money na, it can go down. So one strategy I am applying is just investing not more than 5% of my monthly income. So based on your risk taking ability, if you're a bachelor, you can go up to 10%. It depends upon you, but don't make it a gambling thing. That's what is my suggestion. Don't do it like a trading or gambling thing. So my strategy is invest every month. And every month I want to take out like 5% of my monthly income, not more than that. And and I will again in that 5% also I'll try to again divide these things into three categories. One is investing 30% of that 5% in low risk, and investing 30% in the medium risk cryptocurrencies, and invest 40% in high risk cryptocurrencies. So this way we are still seeing now we'll be able to achieve growth. So let us see what are the kind of things I have invested in. So how did I get started is I signed up for WazirX. I'll be giving you a sign up link in this video description. You can actually sign up for it. If you're signing up, I will get a commission, a referral revenue. But that will definitely help me out doing more and more such videos. So if you are interested, please sign up using my link. Then one more advantage of signing up for WazirX, this is the crypto platform you can say to trade and buy and sell coins. So low commission and transaction fees, and they have options to use pay using UPI, just Indian currencies. It's very easy. You can pay through Google Pay and Phone Pay, etc. So it's very quick. I could do it in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I could sign up and I could buy cryptocurrencies using WazirX. Now coming to which cryptos did I pick? So DigiByte. Sorry, I think I skipped one. One of the Okay, so I will go through it. So I got cryptocurrencies like DigiByte, which is a wallet enabling smart contracts. They also call them as a blockchain and all. So this is one of the cryptocurrencies I picked. It's very low cost one. Then Win is one more crypto, which is blockchain gaming platform. So this is also very interesting one. And Shiba Inu is a Joker coin. Why I call it Joker coin is you don't know its application, and why is it trading you never know, but it can actually be like a Dogecoin. So it's very low cost right now. It's at 0.026 rupees. So you never know now what can happen with this Shiba Inu. So if you keep investing 200 or 300 rupees every month, thinking that you have just purchased something or etc. If something goes up, it may go up and you can encash it. If it goes down, just leave it, just forget it. That way you can think of. And coming to more serious coins, I think BAT coin is more serious. Basic attention token used by Brave browser. So Brave browser has futuristic application. So I think I will be investing every month regularly on this. Then Cardano is a blockchain. So it's a blockchain network. So I can also invest in Cardano. It's like right now 90 or 90 rupees one coin is there. And Gala is associated with play to earn games. So like Axe Infinity and all, some games are there, especially they're getting very popular in Philippines. So uh, those people are actually playing games and earning monthly 20,000 rupees. So play to earn kind of games. So this Gala is actually powering such kind of games. So that has some futuristic application in the blockchain. Then IOST is also one kind of a blockchain. It's right now the price and all is very less. So you can try. There are also established cryptos like Ethereum and all, but the cost is high. Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin and all, people are investing in it. But personally, it's because I don't want to invest a lot of amount. I am sticking to smaller coins, and I want to stick to just 5% of my income. So that's what is my strategy. So now I would like to ask you to get started with these cryptocurrencies if you are interested, but don't ever do gambling with this. Don't ever get jealous, and don't ever get greedy. So subscribe now to our YouTube channel to actually get more such stuff. Thank you very much.